Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is reading for singles and this might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 1st of November till the end of November. Okay, so let's see recent past energy of yours. Okay Pisces, your recent past energy was, let's see. Pisces, your recent past energy is Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. I feel you cut out somebody from your life. You cut out the negativity, toxicity from your life and from your energy. And you were hell honest and you were very clear about what you want, but I feel like you were not ready to listen to your emotions. You were doing everything with your mind. Okay, so in the recent past I can see you clearly cutting out all the toxic people, all the negative people from your energy, and you were not listening to your heart at all. You were trying to listen to your mind, and whatever your mind was telling you, you were just doing that. Let me clarify the Queen of Swords in the recent past for you Pisces. Let's see. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down. So let's see. Ten of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, might be, I feel like you told this person very clearly that you want to have a solid committed connection with them. You don't want to have a time pass or a friends with benefits kind of connection, or just a one night stand or something like that. You were being very clear and honest with them, and you were carrying lots of emotions for them, and see, I feel like you were not showing the emotional part. You were just showing the practical part of yours to them, and you were exactly telling them what you want from them, not what you felt for them, but what you want from a connection or what you want from a particular person in your life. So you gave this message clearly to them. And I feel like for some of you, you told them that you have emotions for them, but you told them that yeah, I have emotions for you and I want a committed relationship or a solid relationship in my life. I don't want to have a time pass or anything like that. So you conveyed your message very clearly to them, honestly and openly to them. Queen of Swords. So whomsoever you were connected with, or it might also be possible that you cut out everybody from your energy because you felt like you are going to be in a stable relationship in the near future, and you are going to love the person with whom you are going to feel the energy of commitment. Okay, you are not going to be in a time pass connection or time pass relationship anymore, Pisces. It could be possible. Okay, so let's see what's your current energy. Pisces. World. So this is a completion of a cycle. Your life is changing. You have completed a cycle in your life. You have completed a phase in your life. Now your life is taking you to another world or another direction. And still I feel, yeah, although there is something that is ending in your circle, in your energy, there is something left that is still bothering you from the past situation. There's something left. Okay, because yeah, the world is a full circle, I can understand, but the world denotes the coming to the same place from where you started. Okay, so you are trying your best to complete the things and complete the cycle and move on, but you are going back to the same place or going back to the same situation or same point again and again and again. No matter how hard you are trying to move on, you are not able to do that. Let me clarify. The world. Ten of Cups and the Five of Cups and the Judgment. See, you are hoping for a relationship, reconciliation in a relationship. So I feel like you wanted to have a happy, committed relationship with somebody, but they broke your heart. Okay, in your current energy, you still want this connection. You still want happiness in this connection. You want long-term, committed, happily ever after kind of relationship, but that is a disappointment to you because you are not getting it. You are not getting it. So you are feeling like, I'm going to forgive this person and I'm going to forget about everything and I'm going to move on. You are in this phase of your life where you are trying your best to move on from a certain situation, but you are deeply lost, you are deeply hurt, you are deeply sad, but that's why you are not able to move on. Although you feel like your dream is not completing here and your dream is not going to be fulfilled here, you are trying your best to move on, and you feel like, yeah, the relationship is over, the connection is over, my new life is starting. There is a possibility of reconciliation, and there is a manifestation of reconciliation in your energy, that you are manifesting this person back in your life, but with commitment. Okay, although there's an ending, but yes, there's a hope as well, that yeah, everything is going to be fine. Because you're lost and sad and depressed, you are manifesting this person back in your life because you still have emotions for them. Okay, Pisces, you still have emotions for this person. Don't lie to yourself, don't lie to me. You do have. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. Your current energy, yeah, you can say for new love, or if somebody new is coming to your life, or if somebody from the past is coming. Or let's see your energy for new love or past love. What is happening with you? Energy for new love. I have to check that. Ten of Swords. Okay. You are feeling betrayed. You are feeling betrayed by something or someone or by somebody in the recent past, and you are feeling like you're not able to walk. You're not able to stand up from this betrayal. You're not able to stand up for yourself, and you are feeling like, I am very hurt. I can't be in a relationship or in a new relationship just like that. I need time to heal. You need time to heal. I understand. You are not ready for a new relationship in your life at all, because you need time to heal from the situation. Although I can see that the worst is over, your worst nightmare is over, and you're ready to restart from a death point of view. You can say this is death and rebirth. Ten of Swords is also a card of having a feeling that everything is ending, everything is falling apart, and nothing is working out. Okay, but there is end at the light of the there is the light at the end of the tunnel, and you have a hope that everything is going to be fine. But you are not at all ready for a new relationship in your life. I can see that. Let me clarify. Because you are still in the betrayal phase. Let me see. Devil could be dealing with the Capricorn, Eight of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. I feel like you were in a toxic connection. You were in a toxic connection, or this person was really toxic or negative with whomsoever you were connected with, and you tried your best to walk away from them, but still you have passion for them. But still you have lots of passion for them. I don't see love here as of now. Emotions are there, but I can't say that they are love emotions. But I see that you tried your best to walk away from this particular person or from situation, but you were not able to do that because you are still so much passionate about this person, past person. Okay? Although you felt betrayed, although you felt like there's nothing left in the connection, still you have a hope that everything is going to be fine, and still you are just waiting for this person to come back because still you are very passionate about them. Either you walked away or they walked away. There's certainty that somebody walked away from the connection. It could be you, it could be them, it could be anybody of you. But you are still so much passionate about this person. You are still so much in this area of like, I have lots of passion for them, I can't let them go just like that. You are just hoping for the positive outcome, hoping for this person to come back to you. Okay? Cool, let's see what is coming towards you till the end of November, the potential outcome. What the hell is happening with you guys? Can't you just stop? Okay, let me see. Chariot. I feel like the good news is that you will be able to move on from this situation by the end of November. you will find a solution, or you will find a way to move on from this situation, from this painful situation, from this unexpressed ending or unsuppressed feelings. I feel like you from this, yeah, suppressed feelings, sorry. So I feel like you are going to move on from the situation, and you will be determined. You will be like, yes, I'm very determined, I am going to be successful this time, I will just move on, I am not going to listen to anybody or listen to any kind of shit in my energy, but just I will just try to move on, and I will move on. I have made my mind. This is a situation, let me clarify. Seven of Cups and the Nine of Swords and the Six of Cups. Okay, you're going to move on, and you're going to feel like, yeah, I have lots of options in my life, why should I be stuck on the same person, why should I be stuck on the past person, there are hell lots of options in my life. And you will be very stressed because of the past situation. Whatever happened to you in the past, you don't want to repeat that cycle, you don't want to repeat this particular situation in your life. And I can see you missing this person very badly, the past person very badly, and you're taking a lesson from the past, that yeah, although I miss this person a lot, I do have options in my life, and I can move on and explore new people, explore new energy in my life. I can do anything that I want to do in my life, so I will just move on. I feel like you will be able to move on, because yeah, you will suddenly realize that you have options, and you don't have to worry about the past, but you still have so much emotions and so much passion for the past person that it will be really difficult for you to move on. But the good news is that to some extent, up to some extent, you will be able to move on, Pisces. Okay, I can see that happening. Could be dealing with the Cancer here. So yeah, this is the reading for you till November end, and this is for singles. So thank you so much for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.